These videos, which you are seeing right now on your screen, are all generated with Leonardo AI's new feature, Image2Motion. This AI image-to-video generator can whip up 4-second videos with just a single click. It's a breeze to use, but here's the catch: you need to master the art of controlling motion strength to fine-tune your video and avoid any unwanted distortions or excess movements. Now, let me guide you through the process of using Image2Motion in Leonardo AI and unravel its workings. But before we dive into the world of image-to-video generation, there are two crucial things you need to know. Firstly, using this video generator will cost you 25 credits from your daily allowance in your free Leonardo AI account, which generously offers 150 daily credits. Secondly, you can use it not only with images generated through your own prompts but also to generate videos from images in your personal feed and community feed pages. Let's jump into action and demonstrate how to control motion strength to craft fantastic videos. I'll start by trying it on one of my images from the image generation page. In this video, I'll also walk you through the process of using this tool in the personal and community feed pages. Hover your mouse over the image you want to use, and you'll notice a new icon, Generate Motion Video. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the motion strength page, where the magic happens. Now, I'll test 3 values of motion strength to showcase how your video will turn out. First, let's set it to 1 and observe the subtle and straightforward effect. Very low on motion. Now, bump it up to 5. Ah, that's better. We're introducing a bit more movement, and the video looks even more impressive. But hold on, let's not go all in at full motion strength. It's a tad too much, right? Finding that sweet spot is key for the best results. Don't forget, you can also use the Leonardo AI video generator on images in the personal feed and community feed pages. Just click on any image you want to turn into a video, choose the Image2Motion icon, and you'll be redirected to the motion strength page, as I showed you before. I've been exploring this feature for about an hour since its release. So, head over to Leonardo AI using the link in the description and experience this feature for yourself. They're quickly becoming major players in AI art, so it's definitely worth checking out what they have to offer. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on Leonardo AI's new feature, Image2Motion. Do you consider it the best image-to-video AI generator, or do you know of better tools? Drop your opinions in the comments below. Also, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. In the upcoming weeks, I'll be unveiling the top AI tools for making money online, complete with proven methods and strategies. We'll kick things off with a tutorial on how to create a viral talking avatar for your faceless YouTube videos. I'll provide you with a specific prompt to craft your character, and then I'll teach you free methods to make it talk and animate the background. So, stay tuned for more exciting content. Wishing you an incredible weekend and an awesome day ahead.